Welcome. In this video, we're looking at the following function. Y equals f of x equals arcotangent of square root of 2x. And we need to find the derivative. So, in order to find the derivative, we need a formula for that kind of derivative. So the formula says d dx of r cot of u is equal to negative u prime of 1 plus u squared. So now in this formula we can take the derivative of the example. So in this case u is equal to square root of 2x, and then u prime is going to equal to derivative of the inside, that's going to equal to 2 times the outside, so that's going to be equal to 2 to the x, and then that will be minus 1/2, because 1/2 minus 1 over 1, that becomes 2 to the exponent when you take the derivative, that's going to equal to minus 1/2. So that's how I got that. Okay, now in these two pieces, what we have to do is plug them in here. So it's going to be equal to d1 dx is equal to negative 2, and then we bring down this to the bottom, which is equal to square root of 2x parentheses 1 plus u squared, that's this one, so u squared is going to equal to 2x, and that should be our final answer. We can distribute that 2x or leave it like that. I leave it like that so that way it doesn't get too messy. So this is the answer. Thank you very much.